Hello everyone and welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Today I am going to be making a delicious corn casserole that is a perfect side dish for your Thanksgiving table. This casserole is sweet and savory and super easy to make, and it is always a favorite. Before I go over these ingredients with you, just a quick reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you want to be notified when I upload new delicious recipes, hit that little notification bell. And also let me know that you like this video by giving me a big thumbs up. So this recipe uses 1 box of the Jiffy Cornbread mix, and it's just a small box. And then 2 cans of corn. One is your whole corn and one is a cream style corn. Half a cup of sour cream, 2 eggs. I am using 1/3 cup of sugar and then 1 stick of unsalted butter. And like I said, this recipe is super easy. You basically just dump everything in a bowl, mix it together, and then bake it. And then I have drained my whole corn. Then I'm adding the butter that I have melted. And finally, the sugar. Now, if you are watching your sugar, you do not have to add the sugar. That is really optional. The recipe actually called for 1/2 cup. I'm using 1/3 cup. You could use 1/4 cup. That is completely up to you. That really is all there is to it. Now I'm going to spray with some non-stick spray a 9x9 square baking dish, and I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for right around 40 to 45 minutes. Oh, just look at this corn casserole. It looks delicious and it smells amazing. If you love corn, you are going to love this. It is absolutely amazing. So delicious. And I think in the South, they actually call this corn pudding. But it is perfect for Thanksgiving. I hope you all have a wonderful day and a happy Thanksgiving. And I will see you soon with more recipes.